Today I'm making chainsaw carvings of mud turtles out of black walnut wood. I'm sanding them down, getting them all smoothed up before I put a clear coat of lacquer on them. Now I'm using a router with an eye tool, making eyes for them. Again, this is black walnut wood. Now I'm using the air compressor and getting all the dust and sawdust off of them before I put a clear coat on them. Again, this is black walnut wood. Now I'm using a gold color stain to give the mud turtles a little different color. Next, I'll put a clear coat of lacquer on them. These will definitely look different. The gold color wood stain will add a little different color to it, and they'll be unique. Well, there they are. There's my fish, and there's the mud turtles. We'll put the lacquer on them next and see how they look. Here's our lacquer. This clear lacquer really brightens them up and makes them shine. I'll put several coats on them. They'll really look good when they're finished. There's the fish. As you can see, that lacquer really makes the black walnut wood come alive. Makes it really shiny. And they're nice and black walnut is a beautiful wood to work with. I'll put several coats on them. Well, there they are. There's my mud turtles. They're kind of unique, a little different. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.